Right, today we're gonna bring a ball decor, and this is perfect for those that have memorable balls or maybe autograph balls and you want to set it up. I personally have a basketball that when I was coaching Little League, we ended up winning the championship. I have the actual ball. I'm gonna hang it and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, out of the box, this is what you get. You get the two pieces that hold the ball, and then you get the main piece that you have to screw this into the wall, right? And of course, they give you a mock-up if you don't want to screw it in. There's also a double adhesive tape. If you guys can notice, you tape this up into any wall. It doesn't have to be this wall. It could be a wood, it could be drywall, pretty much, and that's how you do it. Just pretty much to set it up in there and lock them in place if you don't want to drill anything in there. So this is perfect for those that have memorabilia basketballs or soccers or anything that's been signed as a trophy. This is perfect. It doesn't take too much space. It goes up in the air and you don't have to worry about ever dropping. So we're gonna set this up and see how it looks. I want to display my ball right next to my trophy room here. I have my guitar. I like to display the actual basketball, if you guys can see it. It's very simple to install, especially if you don't have to manage to screw anything in. You could just do the adhesive like I did and just place the ball however you want. You could have your autograph balls or any trophies inside. You could have multiple of these trophy sets, if you guys can see. It doesn't have to be a basketball. It could be a soccer ball. It could be pretty much anything, if you guys can see it. Fits very well, very sturdy, easy to set up. So hope you guys enjoy the video.